Welcome back. It's Laura with Feather the Nest, and welcome to my projects. The channel has really grown over the past couple of weeks, and I am so excited. I actually sew quite a bit, whether it's for school or for myself, so I'll be posting a lot, so I hope you'll keep joining me here. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into it. I have 3 makes so far for 2025, and since it's only January 6th, I've been really busy sewing. But sewing is kind of like my therapy. It really is. It kind of chills me out, and even when I make mistakes, I feel okay. Like I know I'm creating something, and it's for me, and I really enjoy it. So it's good. First up, the Padget pleated trousers. So it was a part of Andi Stitch box for, I think this was November. Yeah, I was kind of behind. And I made it out of this really great green fabric that they sent. They turned out really nice. I don't love the waistband on them. They're a little, I don't know, clunky, I think. But they look nice on. So they have like a blousey bottom to them. I'll post some pictures here in a bit of it. Definitely at the end of the video, you'll see some. And I posted a short of me wearing them. I'm gonna wear these to school tomorrow, so I'm excited about them. The great thing is that they feel like pajamas. Would I make this again? I don't know. I don't know, because it didn't quite, I don't know, go as I thought it would. Like I said, this waistband was a huge disappointment to me. I know it's an elastic waistband, but it just felt clunky the way that it's put together. Not my favorite. Could that be user error? It could be. But yeah, so we'll see how I feel after I wear them tomorrow to school. And yeah, like I said, I know they're gonna be comfy, so that's exciting. So the Padget pleated trousers out of a stretch corduroy, okay? My next make was what I'm wearing, the Andi sweatshirt. This is another Andi Stitch. I like this one. So I was shocked. I'm not a huge sweatshirt kind of person. I'm just not, I don't know. And so I thought, I was like, oh great, I'm gonna make a sweatshirt. But this is like a really nice French terry. And my other thing that I was kind of weird about initially was that they sent 2 colors. Like you had to pick 2 colors, so you were gonna be color blocking. And I wasn't really into that. Like I thought, I really just wanna make this out of one color. But I'm really happy with the way it came out. The fabric is really lightweight. It's super soft. I really prefer something more lightweight anyway. And today was a really cold day, so I was able to layer it with a coat and feel warm all day, because I hate when you're in a building when it is cold outside and they've got the heat like blaring at you. And so then you just get hot all over again. So I was glad that I had something that was a little thinner, and it has this kangaroo pocket at the front. It wasn't difficult to construct. I use my serger a lot. I've used it for a couple of projects now. I love using the serger. It really does give a nice finish to things. Let's see if you can see. Which ones did I finish? Anyway, it gives a great finish. There's my seams finished, all of that kind of good stuff. So it's really great. Anyway, my next thing that I sewed, which I've made a couple of these. It's a, I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with. It's the Andi jacket from Seamwork. And I made one for my son's girlfriend, one for my daughter, and then I finally made one for myself. Again, I'll put some pictures on here of me in it. It's got snaps down the front, as you can see. Okay. And I used 2 different remnants. It's got these lovely pockets with a welt here. So this whole jacket probably cost me $5 to make, if that. And I love yellow. I love this golden yellow color. So it's very comfy. I actually probably will throw that over what I'm wearing tomorrow with the green pants. so that I have it to wear crossing campus and things like that at school tomorrow. So it kind of has a granny chic vibe, I guess. But I'm really happy with it. Like I really like it. And yeah. So so just to digest all of that, the pants, they're pretty okay. I think as a teacher, I'm gonna like them. They're very comfortable to wear all day. The Andi jacket, super comfy, love it. And this shirt, a surprise. It ended up, I think this is gonna be one of my favorites this winter. I actually really love it. I was even thinking of getting some more French terry and making another one, maybe without the pocket in front, something a little different, but I'm very happy with that. So coming up next, I'm gonna be making the Aberdeen from Seamwork, okay? It's got like a bat wing kind of thing going on here. I already have all the pieces cut out in this burnt orange color. It's a knit, a lovely double brush knit. It's gonna be gorgeous. And I can also wear it there to watch the UT game on Friday. I do live in Austin, so we have a big game coming up. And so I know I'll be wearing that Friday for at school and to watch the game. So excited about that. As always, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know your thoughts on the things that I've sewn today and what I have plans for. Have a great day.